TradingView has 4 different price scale options, and here's how to go and use each one of them. First, open any chart and then right click on the price scale on the right side of your screen. Right now, we're on the regular type. This is just going to show you the actual price of the asset that you're looking at. So let's switch it up and go to percent. Now everything becomes a percent change from the start of the visible range. So the y-axis becomes the percent gain or loss, and it's super useful for comparing performance if you're looking at multiple assets. Then let's go to indexed to 100. Now it rebases everything to a starting value of 100. So it'll just show you how the asset has moved relative to that starting point. Now, last but not least, the logarithmic scale. It's just going to show the price on a logarithmic axis, so each equal vertical move on the chart represents an equal percentage move, not an equal dollar move. That's the main distinction. So for example, a move from 10 to 20 will look the same size as a move from 100 to 200 because both are 100% gains. So you might be asking, when do I use which? Use regular for normal analysis, percent or index to 100 when comparing multiple different assets, and use log for long-term charts spanning years or decades, especially on stocks that have grown massively like Nvidia or Amazon, where linear scale makes early price action invisible and gives you a super distorted view. Have a great day, guys.